Hi everyone, this is Aya, and in today's video I'm going to show you the mini release for James shop, not to shabby shop. So we have here winter friends and winter sentiments. So I have here a watercolor paper cut to A2 size, and I want to make a moon. It's my first time, to create like this kind of card that there is a full moon with the light. So I have, this is a negative circle for full circle stencil set by Trinity Stamps. If you don't have this stencil, definitely you can use a post-it tape, cut it in the shape of circle, and you can put it to be to protect an area for the moon. So I have this watercolors by Prima. You can use any brand, and I started to color and create the night sky. I started with light color, then I start to build up till the dark color. So I used 3 shades of blue and 2 shades of purple. The liquid that I put it under the circle was supposed to be like what do you call it? It's like okay, I forgot what it is. I'm gonna write down below. Anyway, this is like kind of a glue that prevents the water to sneak under the circle, but it didn't work. I think it's an old one and I feel it's not working anymore. So you can see that the water found a way to go and ruin my mood. Anyway, I started just building the colors, playing with the colors. Still, I'm satisfied with the night scene. As you see, it's trying to move the card top and bottom so I can all the color mix together. Also, I let it dry like for maybe 1 hour. I didn't use the heat tool. Definitely you can use it, but I feel when we leave the watercolor for air dry, normal air dry, I think the result will be better. Yeah, so here again adding dark color so I can have transition between dark to light colors. See, adding blue. If you want to make the colors more light, you can add more water. Again, playing with the water to be down. So here, after I let it dry after 1 hour, I removed the negative, and to be honest, I do like the moon. It was not perfect. Anyway, the moon it's not perfect anyway. And it has, texture and rocks, and so I said that's fine. So here, to create the snow effect or the snow scene, I have this glitter glue, I think, by Nuvo. I'm going to write the supplies and everything in the description box. So this will be, like a snow scene or a snow mountain ahead. Now time to stamp my sentiment. I always forget. I'm supposed to start with stamping my sentiment first. So I have here Hello Winter, and I used Wow embossing powder, silver color, but it was a little bit dark silver. I really wish that it's bright. I should test it before I try it on my card, but I like it. After that, to add some texture to the card, I'm going to splatter no, I'm not going to splatter. Okay, so I'm going to stamp my cute critters. So we have fox and we have dogs, and this time I'm going to stamp it on a Nina Solar white paper because I'm going to Copic color them. So I stamped them twice, but because the moon really took a big size of my card, so I'm not going to use both foxes and the dog. So I'm going to use one dog and one fox. Yes, here now to add the texture, I have Paul or Powell Rubin pearlescent watercolor. These watercolor are absolutely amazing. I love it so much. It's from Amazon. I'm gonna link it also in the description box. And I added some silver splatter for the start. I thought, let's make some stenciling, with pages. This would be too much. So now I color the fox and the dog, and here showing you the color I used for the Copic markers. just simple 2 shades of each color, then use 3 or 4 shades, a small area, and the focus on this, this moon and the snow. After I color the images, I'm going to add some highlight. I use my gel pen, and this is size 10. And by far, size 10 is the best because I used to have different sizes, but for me, they were not working properly. I don't know. But size 10, because I think the ball itself, the one, to roll the gel, it's bigger, and that's why there is so much ink is coming out. So anyway, I'm here adding some dots and adding some texture to the scarves, the shoes. After that, I'm going to glue my critters. I have here square foam tape, square size, any foam tape you want to add some dimension. And I really love, one thing I forgot to say, that usually when I color anything, I like to put the highlight inside, so the dark from outside and the light color from inside. But because there is moon, so definitely they will be light. I mean, there is a light, so I did the vice versa, so the light will be on outside and the dark from inside. So after I glued them, I added some snow or a shadow, but it was really hard to blend because this is a watercolor paper. It's not smooth. It has a texture, so that's why it's a little bit difficult, to blend the shadow. But I really love this card. So please give this video a thumbs up, write me a comment down below, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.